Hi guys, I'm back with a quick tutorial of how I do my glitter lipstick. I felt like I could do a more of a close-up so you can see what I do. So firstly, I'm just putting a bit of Vaseline on my lips just to protect my lips from any other products I'm going to be using. I'm going with, really you can go with any lip liner you want from any brand. I used the Crayon case coloured lip liner in, I think it was a dark brown. And then I went in with MAC's Retro Ruby Woo. You can use any type of red lipstick, pink lipstick, purple lipstick, whatever lipstick you want to use to make this look pop, or you know, to coordinate with what you're actually wearing. I usually do it mostly with the red, and then I use a loose glitter from eBay. You can get it for 99p. Dab a little bit on your finger and you just press it into your lips, and you can see the immediate effect. It glows, it shimmers, you know what I mean, it just glistens, you know what I'm saying, and it gives your lips a lot of dimension. So that's it really. I just thought I'd come real quick to give you a very quick tutorial. I will be doing some sort of a glitter lip series where I'll just go through all the different types of lip colours I can with the corresponding glitter. And as I said, you can get the loose glitter from eBay. Sometimes they come in sachets. I poured mine into little small empty containers, but yeah, you could use it as it is. And that's it guys. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe.